Game won't open due to the D3D Compiler 48 DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll help you bypass this roadblock instantly using my diagnostic data. Before starting the manual troubleshooting for D3D Compiler 48, you can access a utility to help standardize your system references. This is the D3D Compiler 48, the Direct3D High-Level Shader Language HLSL Compiler. It provides unmanaged routines for compiling shader code into hardware manifests, managing the visual data link for 3D applications. Since we've covered what this file is, let's move to the primary fix. D3D Compiler.48 is often associated with game graphics and audio processing. Reinstall the Microsoft DirectX End-User Runtime to restore legacy DirectX files and update your GPU drivers for OpenCL, OpenGL, or CUDA support. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the D3D Compiler 48 file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. Because the initial fix didn't work, we must manually deploy the legacy DirectX components to your PC, and you should run the official DirectX End-User Runtime, June 2010 setup. This process will scan your system for missing multimedia files and ensure that your DLL file is correctly installed alongside your other graphics libraries. Why are we doing this? Well, a manual runtime restoration is the only way to bypass driver-level blocks and ensure that every legacy dependency is present and functional. A brief word of caution: not all solutions found online adhere to professional security standards. Technical warning: many online file mirrors provide versions of D3D Compiler 48 DLL that are either corrupted or intentionally modified, putting your privacy at risk without resolving the underlying execution error. Let's conclude by looking at how a system maintenance utility can help keep your performance optimized and your libraries synchronized. If manual fixes haven't helped, the resource below offers general information about optimization software related to D3D Compiler 48. I'm Sophie Chen. If we successfully restored D3D Compiler 48 functionality for you today, liking this video helps other users find this solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.